Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the WORKPRO Rechargeable USB-C LED work light. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open here, you'll find instruction manual in there, as well as what looks like a magnetic capable light. So it's kind of what I'm calling more of a butterfly style, where it kind of opens up. Either way, it can be screwed into a mount. It can work as just a simple multiple up top, down low, down two, down, and then a flashing. That will work on both sides. This has 3 magnets, it looks like. So again, up top, 1, 2, and kind of fluttering, we'll call it, blinking. In here, it's going to be my charging. So we'll go ahead and get this charged, and let's show you what it looks like when it is charging. Don't forget to read your instruction manual. As you can probably see, a little red light there will go on when it's charging. So we'll go ahead and get it charged. It does come with a USB-A and I'm sorry, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So we'll get it fully charged up and show you the magnetic capabilities and show you what it looks like at night. I'm not actually done charging, but I did want to point out something that I forgot to show and demonstrate is this capability, so that we can hang this workbench, tent, whatever, underneath the car. First of all, this pops up and can sway a lot of ways, but also can turn this way. So that's a nice little feature. So it can go that way or that way and then close up. So again, we'll continue getting it charged up and take it from there. One thing I wish it did have, which it does not seem to have, is some kind of indicator of you know, how much juice is left. I know other WORKPRO lights do that, but I wish that was there, but no big deal at the end of the day. All right, so I want to start by just kind of showing you the capabilities of the general flashlight, which is, you know, pretty standard, good, decent flashlight. And then we're just going to kind of press some more buttons and show you kind of how it lights up the room. Just one side does a really nice job. And sorry, if you leave it on for a little while, just note that it will just automatically go off next time you press a button. But if you press them fast, and now we got the two-sided, we're pretty well lit. And again, we can go into the flash mode and all that stuff. So I'm going to just show you, and I'm going to pause this just so I can show, this is a metal pole, and we're just going to show the magnet capabilities. So I've got it, as you can tell, and I'm trying not to blind you. It's just magnetically on the pole and comes off relatively easily. So just to give you an idea on how it magnets. That's just using one of them right now. If you put, put both on, it's a little bit better. It actually defaults to the kind of the one. But overall, it's pretty solid work light, flexible. I love the kind of foldable aspect of it. I love that it can be carried pretty simply. And let me get into the more light. You can carry it kind of like a regular flashlight, and then still use these other lights as kind of a bright way to give you a visual of the room, or whatever you're looking for, or you can just kind of spotlight it with the regular flashlight. So does a really nice job, definitely worth buying. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.